Ever feel like you're stuck in a cycle of average grades despite working hard? It's time to change that narrative. Transforming your academic life starts with a single decision to clear the clutter and start fresh. Today, step 1 is a mindset shift. Don't just study for the sake of it, set a specific, ambitious goal that motivates you. Your environment dictates your focus. Create a bright, minimalist space that allows your mind to stay sharp and engaged. Step 2, use active recall instead of passive reading. Test your knowledge with flashcards to ensure the information actually sticks. Ditch the all-nighters. Spaced repetition over a week is far more effective for long-term memory than one night of cramming. Step 3 is the 80-20th rule. Focus on the core concepts that yield the most results rather than getting lost in details. By working smarter, your productivity will soar while your study hours remain manageable and stress-free. Finally, embrace deep work. Eliminate all distractions by putting your phone away and committing fully to the task at hand. Set a timer for 50 minutes. This uninterrupted focus is the secret weapon of every top-performing student. Consistency pays off when you see those top marks. You'll realize that the transformation was worth every focused minute. Start your journey today. Follow for more study hacks and take control of your academic future.